If you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker that's a little different from the usual options, the Cyboris 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker might surprise you. The coolest feature is its magnetic split design. You can use it as one compact speaker or separate it into two speakers for a wider stereo sound experience. It's a simple idea, but it actually makes movies, music, and gaming feel more immersive. Sound quality is solid for the price. With 20 watts of output, the audio is loud, vocals are clear, and the bass has decent punch without sounding muddy. It also comes with Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable connection, an IPX6 water-resistant rating for outdoor use, and up to 24 hours of battery life, making it a great companion for trips or parties. Now, it's not perfect. If you're expecting deep premium bass like you'll get from high-end speakers, this isn't quite there. But considering the price, the performance is impressive. Overall, I think the Cyboris 2-in-1 offers excellent value. The unique split design, good battery life, and surprisingly powerful sound make it an easy recommendation for anyone wanting a portable speaker without spending a fortune.